Hey guys, what's going on? Good afternoon. I'm here to tell you a little bit about what I'm going to be eating for lunch. It's Amy's gluten-free burrito. So my microwave has decided it's going to stop working, which I usually just microwave it because it's quick, but I know it's probably better that I put it in the oven. So yeah, it's in the oven on some tin foil right now. Gotta fix this actually, there we go. So it's just in the oven on tin foil, so whatever, if you don't have time to cook, it's just something easy and quick you can make. What I love about Amy's products is they're all vegetarian, and I am vegetarian since I was 16, so quite a while, over a decade, and I love that they have all these great like frozen meals and burritos and all different stuff, appetizers, you name it, like they probably make it, and they're all vegetarian and they're all on the healthy side. So this is Amy's gluten-free tortilla made with organic beans and rice burrito in cheddar cheese. It is perishable, so keep frozen, and its net weight is 5.5 ounces or 156 grams, made with no GMOs. So I really like the wrapper, it's cool. It's a Mexican entree, and the colors and style kind of remind me of something I would see in a Mexican restaurant, so I really like that about the product. It's kosher. It's sold individually in these plastic wrappers in your frozen section in your grocery store or online. This gluten-free one, I actually didn't even mean to buy the gluten-free one. It was just they were sold out of the regular, because I don't have a problem with gluten, so I could have it, but I know it's going to taste delicious anyway. So I am used to a corn tortilla, but I'm totally fine having this. That's why I bought it. So the nutrition facts: the serving size is one burrito, 156 grams, servings per package 1, calories 260, calories from fat 70, percent daily values are based on a 2,000 calorie diet. Total fat 8 grams, 12% daily value, saturated fat is 2 grams, 10% daily value, trans fat 0 grams, cholesterol 5 milligrams, sodium 430 milligrams, 18% daily value. Total carbohydrate 37 grams, which is a lot, but I feel like it's lower than the average, maybe because it's made with the gluten-free tortilla. Dietary fiber 5 grams, 20% daily value, sugars 3 grams, protein 9 grams. Vitamin A 4%, vitamin C 6%, calcium 10%, and iron 10%. There's the barcode. Okay, so here we go. So this is the directions, easy directions. Ovens may vary. Oven, preheat oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, which I've done. Remove overwrap, wrap burrito in foil, bake for 20 minutes, flip and bake for 25 to 30 more minutes. Let sit 1 more minute and serve. So I'm just going to check on this. You could wrap it completely, but I have it a little open because I like the outside of the tortilla to be like really, really crispy. That's just a personal preference of mine. Microwave oven, remove overwrap, place burrito on a microwave safe plate, cover with a microwave safe plate, cook for 1 to 1.5 minutes, flip, and then cook for 1 to 1.5 more minutes. Let sit 1 minute and then serve. No GMOs and no genetically engineered ingredients. Ingredients: organic pinto beans, filtered water, organic brown rice, organic garbanzo bean flour, organic tomato puree, cheddar and Monterey Jack cheeses, pasteurized milk, culture, salt, enzymes without animal enzymes or rennet, organic potato starch, organic tapioca starch, organic onions, expeller pressed high oleic safflower and or sunflower oil, organic bell peppers, organic sorghum flour, organic sweet rice flour, sea salt, organic cane sugar, spices, and organic garlic. Contains milk. This says here, individuals with food allergies. This product is made in a facility that processes foods containing wheat, soy, tree nuts, and seeds, including sunflower seeds. In addition to gluten testing, strict allergen control measures are implemented at all levels of production. Amy's Kitchen does not use any peanuts, fish, shellfish, or eggs. Amy's Kitchen Incorporated, P.O. Box 7129, Petaluma, California. You could visit them at amys.com for more information, and it is certified organic by QAI, Quality Assured International, certified organic. So it's really tasty. It tastes just like a burrito, you would get it like your favorite Mexican restaurant, but just easier because you could have it in the comfort of your home. So this is what it looks like. Ooh, it's getting really hot in that oven. The inside will be nice and gooey and moist and have like bursting flavor, and the cheddar cheese with the beans is great, and I like that at least it has a good amount of protein, you know, 9 grams of protein, pretty good. So this was Amy's gluten-free burrito cheddar cheese. I hope you guys try it out and I hope you love it. Thanks for watching.